passes for common sense. Used to be, we stocked money
Romeo,
and expected it
what's
to
Romeo
grow.
doing?
Then the world changed.
What's the Romeo
And the common
doing?
sense of retirement
Huh?
planning became
Where you at?
anything but common.
There you are. Look at
Fortunately,
that
TD
pretty
Ameritrade
kitty.
Investment
Come here.
Consultant can help
Come
you
here,
build
kitty.
a plan that fits your life.
Come here, Romeo.
Take control
Come
by
here,
opening a new
Romeo.
account or rolling
Come
over
here.
an old 401k
Romeo.
today, and we'll throw in
Where's the
$15.
Romeo?
How's that for common sense?
Where's that Romeo? Where's the Romeo? Yeah, there him is. Look at the Romeo.
Well, just return it. Returning gift is easy.
Romeo.
From the Postal Service.
Romeo.
Country for a flat rate. Plus, I can pick it up for free. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's gotta go. Priority mail flat rate shipping starts at just $4.95. Only from the Postal Service. A simpler way to ship
Come here.
and return.
Come here. Come here. Where's the Romeo? Where's that Romeo? Romeo, come here, baby. Romeo, Romeo, where far art thou, Romeo? Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Romeo, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Look at you. Come here, pretty boy. Come here. Oh, look at that pretty baby. Look at that pretty baby. Yeah, them such a pretty boy. Romeo. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Look at that pretty little lover. Yes, look at him. Him so pretty. Yes, it is. Look at him. Look at him. He's such a good boy. Romeo. Such a good boy. Such a pretty boy. Yes, he's such a pretty boy. Look at that pretty white tummy. Yeah, that's my Romeo. That's my Romeo. Yes, it is. Come on. Come here. Come here. Give mommy kisses. Come here.